In this quick guide, we'll show you how to replace the cartridge in your stylish kitchen faucet step by step. Before removing the cartridge, make sure to close the shutoff valves to avoid water leaks. Locate the small rubber cap underneath the faucet handle. Use an Allen key to unscrew the handle. Pull the handle outward to remove it. Using pliers or a screwdriver, gently pry off the cartridge cover. Use the special 25mm cartridge tool to unscrew the cartridge nut, leveraging with a screwdriver if needed. Once loosened, pull out the old cartridge. Ensure the cartridge chamber is completely clean and free of debris. Insert the new cartridge, making sure to align the prongs with the cavity holes. Place the new cartridge nut and tighten it using the 25mm cartridge tool. Reinstall the cartridge cover, pressing it down until it fits securely. Place the handle back and secure it using the Allen key. Finally, place the rubber cap back in position. Don't forget to open the shutoff valves to restore water to your faucet. And that's it. That's how easy it is to replace the cartridge in your stylish kitchen faucet.